Whenever possible, always try and fully monetize any sort of positive reviews you might receive. It makes for great content on if you're posting on social media, if you're doing paid ads, print advertising, really any marketing channel. Those positive reviews can potentially be used within any sort of campaign that you're doing. They can also be used as standalone content. So just again, posting on social media, a positive review is great content there, right? But really, what you want to do is just create a file and keep track of all these positive reviews that you have, because it's another one of those things like a swipe file where you can just go to, at anytime you need some additional content for a campaign, or anytime you want to improve the results of a marketing effort. Those positive reviews are really going to be beneficial. Now, you also want to include them on your website, your homepage, and the product or service that is receiving the review. And then you can also just create images of the reviews as well, because that just gives you different ways to do marketing with that, right? So, for example, you could create a Pinterest pin with that image, right, of a positive review, and use that within your marketing efforts. So it just gives you more variety. But make sure that you save all your positive reviews and try and include them any way you can in your marketing efforts.